Hi everyone, I am Sergey Radkivsky, a software developer from Ukraine. I am doing Android development, and recently I faced the problem that I need to buy a new working machine because my old one was too slow for my work. Also for my work I am using desktop PC with i5 Intel Core i5 processor, 7th generation, 7400 with base clock speed 3 MHz and 16 GB of RAM. Also, there is some kind of SSD disk, and that's it. Like for current my work, it's enough, but I am looking for laptop, a powerful laptop to fit my needs. And during the last like 4 to 6 months, I watched a lot of different videos on YouTube from different bloggers, tech reviews, and so on and so on. And I didn't find the proper information about the models of laptops which I'm interested in. And you always can buy like the most powerful, the most richest configuration and the most costly machine, but it's also like a balance between performance and money. And any of the there were a lot of feedbacks on that machine, as good and equals as bad, and you don't know if that machine will definitely be much faster than your desktop PC or the equivalent desktop PC assembled for far less money than buying a laptop. So it's always good to compare your working project which you use day to day on a real machine. And that's why I decided to make such test. So if we are talking in general for Android Studio, for mobile development, you need quite beefy machine because it takes a lot of time to run Android emulator, to wait for Gradle sync all the files, to build the project and everything like that. And if you are doing it constantly all day, you understand that it's your nervous system health, and you also save your time and your patience. And if you are spending like 60%, 70% of your time near that machine, you need that to be powerful and also to be like quiet, smoothly and everything like that. And also you need to have some design things to be pretty for yourself and your soul. So if choosing between processors, it's definitely you need to get the newest generation of Intel based processor as you can. So i7, i9 processor will be quite good fit. So 9th, 10th generation, maybe 11th soon will be available. Next, RAM 16 GB at least, preferably I would take 32 right now, like for the nearest future. Also, hard disk is quite is playing a very good, a very big role. You definitely don't need HDD. You need SSD disk. So the first by the speed is NVMe SSD disk. The second one is M.2 SSD disk, and the third one is just usual SSD disk. You don't need like a video card for usage for development for Android, like for most projects I know. So that's why, to solve my problem and to understand which laptop will be the most powerful for me, I decided to go to different shops and to ask them some notebooks which are staying on directly in the shop, and make some tests on them with Android Studio or AIDA, running a CPU stress test to see if the throttling or no, how performance is going, and how is it heating, how the fan noise, and everything like that. And like 95% of shops rejected my proposals, and only several shops like Moyo, Volti, and Cetrus, and Brain gave me ability to test some laptops. And also Moyo gives you ability to order 3 laptops and choose between them which one you will buy and run your tests. So after quarantine I will definitely try some of them. But before that I want to collect as much information as I can. That's why I created Android Studio project on my GitHub profile. So I found among open source projects a big one. It is Firefox Focus browser for Android platform. It's open source. When all files are loaded, it weighs like 6+ gigabytes. And on my desktop machine, the building time takes fast cold build takes 7 and something minutes, and next one, and second and third builds takes 5 and something minutes. So I created like step-by-step scenario. What do you need to do that? The requirements for that projects are very little. You need just JDK and API level 28 and Android Studio, of course, to run that command like gradleware assemble debug, and to run that 3 times and make some video screenshots and send that to me, and I would add that to public XML file, so everyone could have access to that file, and will be able to compare that results of the newest CPUs with their own machines, and understand the trade-offs, yes, and understand which machine they probably need to buy to feel themselves comfortable. So during current tests, I made up to 10 tests. Like I found that quite any machine with 9th or 10th generation would be quite good, but still I need data, and I need data running that test on Dell XPS 17, MacBook Pro 2019 with i7 or i9 processor. It would be cool to run that on Air with M1 chip and 13-inch MacBook Pro on M1 chip as well. Dell XPS 15, it would be nice to test. Asus Pro Art Studio Book, wonderful laptop, but I haven't find any deep reviews on that machine. What else? Lenovo ThinkPads P1, P72, P52, Extreme X1, T15P, very tasty machines, which I would like to have tests, and I think you would also be interested in. Probably I'm too concerned with that, but if you could run that project on your machine, like all people who are in Android development would definitely win from that, and also other software developers who are running software with less requirements would also see that results and make some their choices. So I would be glad and very appreciate if you could share this video and that project, that repository to your friends who are looking, who are doing mobile development and can run the test and send that result, so I could share to the community. And also I would be very appreciated if you will like this video, subscribe to my channel. I would write, I would make some also interesting comparison in the future. You can also ask me any questions you want about this project, and maybe you have some propositions. It would be great if we will upload our reviews of that laptops to the YouTube and add a common hashtag. I described every scenario in that GitHub README profile, how to build the project, how to make tests properly, how to share the results so everyone could find them, and so on and so on. So currently I will show you the results that I have, and I will also attach in the description link to the GitHub profile, and also link to the videos I made tests already on, so you could check for yourself and already make some benefit from this. That's it. So I will show you results now. So this is my project, Android Studio Benchmark. Here is the link, and this is a Firefox open source project for Android, and this is a README file where you can read everything, how to build step by step this project and share your results, and also like results of benchmarks of the testing is here. So let's open them, and here are results. I ran them on 9 machines. So the first one is my desktop machine. This is the results. The second one is my home machine. It's like a not very powerful PC. And the other results, this is the results which I get in the shops by doing like testing there directly in the shop. As you see, the most most of the results are twice as fast as my desktop PC working machine. But currently the fastest laptop is MSI gaming laptop, like it's almost 3 times faster than my desktop working machine, which is quite good for me. And like this is great, but it is very noisy, and the keyboard is not that comfortable. So that's why I want to test different laptops, and we can see what will be the most suitable for us. Okay. Also, I want to share with you great channels who make beautiful tech reviews. So these guys make very in-depth reviews of different laptops, just amazing. This guy also started to make great videos about comparing different software IDEs, how they perform on different machines. Great reviews. This guy, this guy also making a good compilation comparing results. This guy, this guy make just computer videos, and also choosing like best coders laptops and so on. This guy also making great reviews laptop on M1 and MacBook Pro on M1 chip and Intel i7 i9. This guy makes great reviews. He has videos about Hackintosh, Mac Mini, MacBook Pro. Great. This one. And this girl makes also feedback about her MacBook Pro machines, and also videos about machine learning. And also this guy is making great tech reviews. This guy just making amazing reviews. And also like Wilsa.com, good job. And now I want to share one application that I use. It's Letyshops cashback service. So you can do your shopping across this application, and you can save money, so you will return some money back, and it's very convenient. I made already a lot of purchases across this application. You can see a lot of shops. It's different by your country, which is available in your concrete country. So as you can see, you go to, for example, Asus shop, you have activated cashback and made your purchases and give money back. So I will show you now my personal cabinet and all the money I have already checked out. and also how much money there is on my balance. As you see, I have a lot of test transactions by 1 ruble. So you see, I'm already a lot of time in this application, and here is my payout history. So you see that everything is okay, and it's a very good application which you have like win-win situation. Also in this application there is a bonus program. It's called like invite your friend, and when you give your referral link to your friend and he will register by this referral link, you and your friend will receive the equal amount of money if your friend would buy something during 30 days, and nobody will lose, and that's why it's a good promo for application and for you and your friend. So I will put the link, the referral link in the description. So if you like the idea about testing Android Studio on different machines, please do the test, send me results so I can share it with all the people. Share your result on your YouTube channel if you want. It's up to you, up to your wish. Also, if you want, please subscribe to my channel and click the link and register in Letyshops also if you want, if you need it. Thanks. Bye.